Right then, unboxing time. We're going to unbox this, which is a kind of chainsaw-y type thing. Well, it's not a chainsaw. I don't think it is anyway, I don't know. What do I know? I know nothing. It's made for DIY.com anyway. It's fair to say it's not going back in the box, so let's just tear the box open. Ooh. This looks interesting. I bought this last year and then it rained from the moment I bought it. So I never did anything to the going. So we've got, what's that? Oh, it's a noise abater thing. Okay. And there we go. Remember not to hold it like this when I've got it turned on. So where does the noise abater thing go? Tells me how to take it apart. Oh, right, we'll stick that in there. I don't know which way around we do it. I assume we do it. Lift it two ways. I'm going to put it in. Like so. Then there should be a couple of lugs. This was £24 I paid for it last year. Oh yeah, a couple of screws, there you go. So the screws. Oh, that's just gone mad. It's a new toy you won't like. Go away. No, you're in the frame. Move. Thank you. Just screw that in there. Screw that in there. There you go. Obviously I've got to screw it in proper. Let's see if it works.